Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video we will learn about how to increase font size and how to decrease font size with the help of shortcut key and without using shortcut key in Microsoft Word. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I have three columns here. If I want to change the size of this first column, for example, I want to change size for these cells, and then I will select those cells. And from here, you can see there is a drop down list and it's showing me 12. The size is 12. If I want to make it to 15, I will click within this drop down list and enter 15, press enter, and then it will increase the size of those selected cells. Control Z to go back. And the next option is right next to drop down list. There is a capital A. It's bigger in size. If I press this one, it is to increase the size of your data, of your cells, of your word or your numeric. Right next to this big A, there is a small a. If I click this one, it will decrease the size of those selected cells. If I click again, it will further decrease the size of those selected cells. So this is how you can increase the size or decrease the size without using any shortcuts. Now the next part is to use the shortcut to increase the size. So for example, this column, I select those cells, and if I want to increase the size of those cells, I will press Alt H F G. If I press Alt H F G, it will increase its size. And if I want to decrease its size, at the moment the size is 12. If I want to move back to 11, so I will press Alt H F K. If I press Alt H F K, it will go back to 11 size. This is how you can increase or decrease the font size with shortcut key and without shortcut key. So hit the like button if you like this video, and if you want to join Excel beginner course, I'm leaving the link in the first comment. You can join and start your Excel journey. So I'll see you guys in next video.